Welcome! If you've been trying to figure out how to enable the option to create Reels with videos under 60 seconds on Facebook using your PC, you're not alone. With the latest update, Facebook has slightly rearranged where certain controls live, which can make things a bit confusing at first. The good news is, once you know where to look, it only takes a minute to set it up. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. Now, click on Settings to open the main settings page. Once you're inside the settings area, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through until you find the Media section, then click on it. This is where Facebook controls things like video playback, captions, and related preferences. Now look for the option labeled Captions display. Right next to it, you'll find a setting for background color. Click on that option and choose your preferred background color. While this might seem unrelated at first, adjusting this setting helps activate updated media features tied to short-form video handling, including Reels functionality for shorter clips. After selecting your preferred background color, make sure to click Save Changes. This step is important, otherwise your update won't apply, and that's it. Once saved, your account will be aligned with the latest media settings, allowing you to create Reels with videos under 60 seconds directly from your PC. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.